here we have a really nice Minneapolis Moline orchard tractor, all repainted. It's very awesome how smooth and straight this sheet metal is, because usually on these orchard tractors they are all tore up. Here's a really nice Farmall 900. I've never seen one of these in person. I don't know if there was a regular, I'm pretty sure this is a high clear version. Looks really nice. All repainted, looking pretty. Here's a really nice Farmall 140, all repainted. Not a scratch on it, all shined up. Really nice. Right here we have a Farmall M in its work clothes. I like these big tractors. They look nice, restored and not. He got some weights on the back of this thing. He got one of those 3-point kits. Pretty cool. Right here we have this 1926 Chevy Doodlebug. This thing's super cool. Looks like a car that they converted to a tractor. He has all kinds of stuff on here. He has a vise. Yeah, just a really cool old tractor.
Alright, this is the tractor. Alright, 1953 Ford Golden Jubilee, driven by Truck Tucker Stevens from Marshall, Texas. It's in its work clothes, but he's got the best patina at the 2024 Jefferson Tractor Show. Thank you, Tucker, very much. Very nice tractor. And that is a good running little tractor. Don't let it fool you.